Mysteria, good morning. We've got a fun day planned. We've got lots of friends coming round. So I hope you'll join in and have some fun with us. Let's start the morning with a dance. That was great fun. Thank you, Mysteria. Let's go find everyone. Hi, Barbies. 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 That's a lot of Barbies in the dream house today. How many Barbies can we count? Mysteria, why don't you count for us? Was that a yes? Mysteria said she will count for us. Let's all go down the slide and count how many Barbies. Let's start by putting them all in the lift. 1, 2, 3. 3 Barbies, up, up, and away. Time to reload. 1, 2, 3. 3 more Barbies, up, up, and away. You're next, children. Isn't that right, Mysteria? She said yes. 1, 2, 3. 3 children, up, up, and away. Our turn, Mysteria. Are you ready? Me too. Let's go. Up, up, and away. All Barbies down the slide. Ready, steady, go. Wow, Mysteria, look how many are in the pool. So many Barbies are in the pool. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 Barbies in the pool. Wow, what a big number, Mysteria. Thank you for counting with us. Okay girls, we're off shopping. See you later. Hey girls, beautiful weather today. I've bought you both over a drink. Hope orange juice is okay. That's perfect, thank you Kelly. Thank you Kelly. Oh, that is tasty. Cheers girls, have a great day. Cheers ladies. We're back from shopping. Hi girls, fancy a pool party? Meet us by the pool. Such a fun pool party, girls. I wonder what the younger girls are up to. There were 4 in the bed and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over and 1 fell out. There were 3 in the bed and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over and 1 fell out. There were 2 in the bed and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over and 1 fell out. There was 1 in the bed and the little one said, ah, I've got the bed all to myself now. Stretch and relax. With a blanket too. That's perfect. I know something else fun we can play. Follow me! Let's go on this one, girls. It's so much fun. I'll help push you, girls. Ready, steady, go! That was great fun, Blossom. Thank you for letting us have a go. It's my pleasure. It looks like Barbies are off shopping again. Barbies, are you going shopping again? Yes, we're off shopping. Did you want anything? How about high heels and a handbag? Oh, Blossom, you are cheeky. We'll pick you up some sweets for all of your friends. Anyway, girls, take care. Bye. Bye, Barbies. Thanks for coming to play, girls. Let's have one last dance with Mysteria the Unicorn.